Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel for today's Russian word of the day, a review lesson, day number 63 in our series. This week began with a continuation of the previous week when we were learning vegetables, and the first word that we learned this week was beans. What is the word for beans?
Бобы. Бобы.
And after beans, we learned the word for sauce. What is sauce in Russian?
Соус. Соус.
And finally, we moved on to a very important part of the vocabulary for a kitchen. We started to learn things that are sweet. The first and most obvious word is dessert. What is the word for dessert?
Десерт. Десерт.
There are many important kinds of dessert, but one of the most common is cake. What is cake in Russian?
Торт. Торт.
And of course, you need to know the word for sweets. This is a very important word. You will probably use it very frequently because when they sit down to drink tea, they almost always have a little dish of candies or sweets. What is this word for sweets?
Сладости. Сладости.
And finally, we have the word for chocolate. What is this very important word in Russian?
Шоколад. Шоколад.
Well, that's it for this week's review lesson. As always, if you've enjoyed the video and you appreciate the Word of the Day series, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new Word of the Day. Пока for now.